The core values in version 6, we've removed execution and we put respect for people. Now, does that mean that execution doesn't matter? Of course not. That's still, I mean, the whole framework is designed. And if you look at it now, we've made flow a lot more explicit around the team of teams, and the portfolio. And that is what will help us deliver. And, you know, uninterrupted flow, if you like, is there. So there is no need for execution to be part of the core values. Respect for people was there, but was part of House of Lean in previous version of SAFe. So as we remove the House of Lean, then it's a better home for it to see one of our core values is to respect for people. It's about, you know, making sure that, yes, we treat people with respect, but also is understanding, having empathy, understanding them as a person rather than as a specialist that delivers a role on the in the team or on the Agile release train. So what is it they want? What makes them tick? What are the things that they like? Which hours of the day are they more productive? You know, they might be an early person, a late person. They might, what their likes and dislikes are, so we can work more as a person, see them as a person and an individual, and treat them as one.